Short circuit is an electrical circuit that allows a current to travel along an unintended path. Thus, in this lecture, we are going to study meaning and effects of short circuit when take place. Further, we will study the precaution measure to take to prevent the short circuit. What is short circuit? Short circuit may be defined as an abrupt circuit in which current travel along the unintended path. The electrical opposition of a short circuit is an open circuit. If it lacks a complete path between the terminals of its power source and which is an infinite resistance between two nodes. It is common to misuse the short circuit to describe an electrical malfunction regardless of the actual problem. Let us look at the damages that occur because of the short circuit. A short circuit fault current can within millisecond be thousands of times larger than the normal operating current of the system. Circuit for large home appliances require protective device set or rated for the high current than the lighting circuits. If an improper installation, then the current from the short circuit may cause ohmic heating of the circuit part with poor conductivity. Such overheating is a common cause of fires. An electric arc, if it formed during the short circuit, produces high amount of heat and cause ignition of combustible substances as well. For preventing damages, some devices are used such that prevented by employing fuses, circuit breaker or other overload protection. As short circuit is result in damage to the surrounding as well as to the equipment or device circuited, thus there is need for protection. Let's understand the concept of need of protection. Overheating and overloading because of power fluctuation can be very harmful, thus protection is required. Short circuit is a result of use and non-standard appliances. Illegal trapping of electrical wires, improper electrical wiring, carelessness and ignorance, etc. In order to prevent the damage, one must adopt the preventive measures such as it can lead to serious fire and fatal accident if proper instructions are not followed. Such incident can be minimized to a great extent if adequate fire precautions are observed. Electrical fires spread rapidly, especially in buildings, and cause loss of lives and property. It is therefore necessary to act fast, raise an alarm for the help, switch off power supply to de-energize the equipment, and use dry sand, carbon dioxide, dry powder or halogen extinguishers. What precautions are to be taken to avoid short circuit and effects of damages? Always use ISC certified appliances as they are made from the standardized product and material. Fuses plays a very important role in preventing the whole circuit, therefore good quality fuses should be used. Other safety devices such as miniature circuit breaker and earth leakage circuit breakers are incorporated in circuits. Use one socket for one appliance. Switch off the electric supply of fire affected areas. Another precautions to be taken as fuses and switches should be mounted on metallic cubicles for the greater safety against the fire. If you have noticed there's some breakage on plug and switches, then immediately replace them. Electrical wires are kept away from the hot and wet surface as they can instantly react and remove insulation and make conductors short-circuited when come in touch with each other. Switch off appliance after use and remove the plug from the socket. There are some don't, that means you should avoid doing such things which can lead to the short circuit. Avoid using substandard fixture in appliances so that it reduces the possibility of damage. Temporary or neck joints on wiring should not let open as can lead to electric shock as well as short circuit. Avoid laying wires lay under the carpets, mats and doorways. as they get crushed, which result in short circuiting. Don't place covered wire end in the socket and keep connection tightened properly. Thank you and see you in the next session.